Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Realme C33, and now I'm gonna show you how to enable or disable keyboard sounds. So, firstly, you need to check if you have the keyboard sound. I have DND enabled, so I want to disable it, and as you can see I have no sound, so I want to enable it. So how we can do it? Firstly, we need to open settings, then scroll down, choose system, then languages and input, keyboards. Here choose on-screen keyboard, here choose your keyboard, and here we have preferences. Great. And here we can enable or disable sound on keypress. We can set up the volume of the keypress, for example max volume, and now open the text typing. And as you can see, now we hear keyboard sounds. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.